GVH stock analysis and GVH stock prediction. What I'm breaking down in this short brief 1-minute video is my exact play, and it's the only guy in this space who's done this for 42,000 videos and documented it all. I can tell you exactly what I would love and prefer to see. GVH related, randomly buying, just not gonna happen. Like, you know that it's a bearish market for me, and I get it, it started pumping up, but just not gonna take away from the fact that the most likely thing that's pretty much gonna, I think, about to happen is the price melting down. And I'm all about it, you know, if there is a confirmation, I'm willing to take it further down. No questions asked. Right, in the meantime, I'm waiting for rules, and if the rules are not met, well, I guess this is not something that I'll take down or do anything really with. So, I do have previous GVH receipts with one result in the Discord, one of my exact play, and stuff that I've learned over 5 years that you can take to 5-10k months. Click the first link in the description, and